to adapt to the change, or get washed away like tears in the rain. Learn to adapt to the change, or get washed away like tears in the rain.
The saddest thing I ever learned is relationships don't last. Or maybe I just feel that way cause of my past. Bad memories get to me when I drink mad Hennessy, feeling cold and alone. Even when I got mad friends with me, I'll still see something that reminds me of her. I got so used to her that without her my mind is a blur. She found somebody quick, I will find another for a while. She was about to be my wife and mother of my child. It's crazy how you can have your life arranged, and the day you get engaged you notice she's acting strange, like everything's changed, and suddenly you don't trust her just the same. And you find out some other man's been fucking out her brains. That's when your heart starts to feel the pain, so much that you can feel it in your veins, and you can't forget a name. That's when you literally go insane, and you feel like you're so sad you make it rain. And then a song plays that says